we're about to make some salt and vinegar peanuts. So to make salt and vinegar peanuts, what I'm first going to do is you get some peanuts, put them in the strainer. Alright. Wash them off real good with some water. See all the little extra small bits coming out? I'm just trying to get all the salt from the factory off of it because I'm going to add my own salt. Also, washing it with the water like this gets any oil that may have been added from the factory off of it. Any other contaminants. Even though the one I bought says they just added peanuts only, just still make sure. And you'll see little bits falling out of it from the ends of them. I did that for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to let it sit there and drain for a little bit. I'm going to shake it a little bit and let it drain some more. So what I'm doing is I'm going to soak it in vinegar for about an hour. And I'm going to do it in the same pan that I'm going to bake it in. Now these peanuts already came dry roasted, so I'm not worried about roasting them. When I stick in the oven, I'm merely just doing it to dry them out a little bit. So what I got is vinegar with the mother, and you can use white vinegar if you want, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to pour enough in it basically and stir it up a little bit. I love the way vinegar with the mother smells. It's got a sweet smell to it. And since these ain't fully submerged, I'm going to let them sit for 30 minutes and I'm going to come back. I'm going to stir them again and then I'm going to let it sit for another 30 minutes. And it's been about 30 minutes, so I'm going to turn them over a little bit. Kind of took a nap, so these have been sitting for about an hour and a half. Don't forget to preheat your oven till about 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. Maybe 30. So I got my 3-year-old videotape in here. So what you do is I put a bowl at the bottom because I'm going to need to use some of the vinegar later. And then I got the strainer again. I'm going to pour it through the strainer. Now mine's been soaking a little bit more because I kind of forgot about it. So it's been soaking about an hour and a half. So I'm going to pour this through here.
Water?
No, where's this vinegar, buddy?
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. It's right there.
Yeah.
But that's way in the way.
Yeah.
It's way in the way. That's way in the way. I see a little bit. Oh, here.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Now I see it.
Okay. Alright.
No, where's the water? The water's still in there?
Come here. Okay, so I got some parchment paper that I lined my pan with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some peanuts in.
Oh,
They've been drained. What are you doing?
I see that. It's all there.
Buddy. Back up.
I see
Pointing
it.
at the pan. I know, but you put the camera too close. I can't see it.
I see my fire clock.
Okay.
And I see the water right there. It's 5 o'clock.
And I'm going to put a little bit of Noah.
Oh, let's go back.
Yeah, don't fall off there.
I'm not gonna fall off.
Put a little bit of olive oil.
I see my fire quick.
Okay, buddy.
It's right there. See? You see it?
So now since I poured some oil in it, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Get the oil in a little bit. Hoping the oil will keep it from smoking.
Go shock it. It goes work can right here.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
The fire truck?
Yeah. There's a can right here.
Pour some salt on it.
This is a big one. It's rice snow. Or something.
I think it's done. I'm gonna pour some more salt on it.
Man, what's gonna do it? You can touch. Beam, bam, bam, bam. I like this fire cloth.
This is mainly just to dry it out a little bit.
This fire cloth is so cool. So I can go up. And down. Up, down, up, down. It's green. It's green.
Watch out, buddy.
What?
I'm gonna open the oven. It's gonna be really hot. Get down. Yep, I gotta move the racks around. Now I'm gonna put it on the middle rack in the oven. It's preheated to 350, and I'm gonna leave it in there about 20 minutes.
The oven's hot.
Yes, the oven's hot.
Yes. Yeah, oven's again.
About done. I got a little bit. It should have beeped. Oh, there we go. They're finished. So I'm gonna take them out the oven now. Let's see. Wow, it's hot. Dry them out a little bit. Alright. Do put some more salt on it.
I'm not gonna touch the oven. You can put a little bit.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of this vinegar. Just to give it that extra vinegar taste. Stir it in.
What is that? Whoa. What is that?
That's the oven. I don't use. Since this is a whole
I don't
jar
hold
of
the
peanuts,
I don't hold the bill.
You want to hold it?
Hmm.
This is a whole jar of peanuts. I'm going to add some more salt. Here, hold the video, buddy. There you go. Good job.
I'm not gonna hit the button.
Yeah, you're doing great.
I see it. I see salt. I put it in. I see it. I see. Don't talk, Daddy, okay?
Yes. I gotta talk. It's my video.
Oh.
Just add as much salt as you think you need.
Whoa. Whoa. I see that. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. I see the sugar.
See the sugar?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm about to try one, see if it's any good. Let's try this one.
Maybe it's right here.
It's alright. It's not like the ones at the store, but it's pretty good. You want to try one, buddy?
Yeah.
Right here. Try it. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Don't touch the pan. It's hot now. Buddy, my 3-year-old son likes it.